It may be one of the factors po, pero may mga experience po tayo like nanggaling po ako sa PNP, halos 100% po yung in-increase nung sweldo ng ating mga kapulisan, pero marami pa rin mga insidenteng ganito din po siguro sa amin. It is just one factor but there are other factors.
But could it possibly be a solution, raising the salaries of our personnel? This is not the first time that we've heard something like this happen. Especially, medyo nakakahiya po kasi airport po natin yun.
Tama po, ma'am, talaga nakakaya at saka nakakagalit na talaga dahil...
Pero posible po ba magtaas ng sweldo? Tinitignan niyo po ba yun?
Tama po kayo, ma'am. It is one of the solutions. In fact, ang Department of Transportation po, through our secretary, nag-recommend po kami sa Department of Budget and Management na iangat yung salary grade ng aming mga security screening officers. At ito naman ay parang na-appreciate na ng DBM, kaya marami na po kami mga pag-uusap with the Department of Budget and Management. And hopefully, before the year end, sana po finally ma-approve na yung aming request.